There are an estimated 2 million coffee shops around the world. You don't believe me? In this video, I'll be uncovering the secrets of a hidden sweet cafe gem in Chiang Ma, Thailand, called Mitbury the Public House. This isn't just a cafe, it's a story of innovation, preservation, and the romance between architecture and nature. Look at the color rendering of the screen wall, OSB ceiling, archways, windows. Hardly are any of the elements of this project opaque. Almost everything in this project mimics its natural environment. Brown terracotta tiles and the soft glow of a chandelier welcome you. Clear glass walls open to the garden, blending the indoors with the outdoors. The garden itself, a masterpiece. And I've talked a lot about, the beautiful things regarding this project. However,